Hi guys, there are many very decent food processors, fit to buy. This guy tries to cover all possible scenarios: large families, couples with little time to cook, housewives who want to perform many different tasks with the same appliance. There are many situations, but all susceptible to using the best food processor. The food processor is the most generic and useful of the many kitchen appliances on the market. It is a medium-sized appliance, whose shape resembles the typical glass blenders. However, unlike these, they enjoy total autonomy, independence, and versatility, and can be used for many different tasks. So, let's get started. Number 10, Mueller Mini Food Processor. Now you can get it at around $20. Features of this product: multifunctional kitchen helper. Chopping, dicing, grinding, and blending ingredients can be very time-consuming. With Mueller's quick prep food chopper, preparing ingredients is as simple as a push of a button, giving you more time to cook and savor flavors instead. Compact and powerful, with 1.5 cup capacity, the small food processor is the perfect size to keep handy on your countertop for everyday use. The mighty motor and stainless steel S-blade provide premium performance, while the one-touch pulse button makes operation simple. Whether it's coarse or fine you need, you'll be able to blitz through ingredients with precision. Try new recipes. Mueller food processors inspire you to experiment with new and exciting recipes. Use the electric chopper with fruits, nuts, and herbs, or use as a meat chopper or vegetable chopper. Prep your meat and veggies ready to add straight into soups, pies, and casseroles, or for delicious pasta sauces. The next is Number 9, KitchenAid KFP0718CU Food. This food processor is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $80. Features of this product: the KitchenAid KFP0718CU food processor is a powerful and easy-to-use appliance that is perfect for chopping, pureeing, shredding, and slicing a variety of ingredients. It features a one-click, twist-free bowl assembly with a latch lid for easy setup, a sealed, leak-resistant work bowl, and a compact design with in-bowl accessory storage and convenient cord wrap. It also has 3 speed options and easy press paddles with illuminated LED controls. Customers have praised its power and ease of use, though some have noted that the blade assembly is not intuitive and the bowl is made of thin plastic. 3 speed options and easy press paddles with illuminated LED controls: chop, puree, shred and slice everything from cucumbers to tomatoes, cheeses, and more with the reversible medium slicing shredding disc and multi-purpose blade. The next is Number 8, Mueller Ultra Prep Food. This food processor is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $40. Features of this product: the most versatile kitchen tool with the Mueller Ultra Prep Food Processor. Possibilities are endless. This lightweight yet powerful kitchen appliance is easy to use and makes quick work of everyday chopping, grinding, pureeing, and whisking. Chop fruits, vegetables, meat, bread, nuts, mix up relishes and blend up dips and sauces. Make homemade nut butter, or grind spices and grains. Add the whipping attachment to whisk egg whites, whipped cream, or froth milk. The list goes on. Food prep in seconds. No need to struggle with multiple knives, choppers, and heavy equipment when this mini food processor can do everything for you in less than 30 seconds. The dual rotation technology allows you to chop as coarsely or as finely as you like with the premium stainless steel S-shaped blades, or use the whisk to whip ingredients until light and fluffy. Safe and practical food processor features all non-toxic food-grade materials and convenient non-slip feet. The next is Number 7, Hamilton Beach Electric. This food processor is here with the 11% price off. Now you can get it at around $25. Features of this product: simply stack and press to chop. The patented stack and press design makes it easy to assemble and use. Simply press the lid to chop and release to stop. Since all you do is stack the lid on top of the bowl, no difficult twist locking is needed. Perfect size for everyday use. Chop and mix up to 3 cups of ingredients every day of the week with this 3-cup chopper. It's the perfect size for everyday use, yet small enough for easy storage. Easily chop, puree and emulsify with stainless steel blades. Durable stainless steel blades make easy work of a multitude of ingredients including onions, carrots, and nuts. Oil dispenser on lid makes it easy to emulsify dressings, dips and sauces. Easy to clean, the bowl, lid and removable blades of the Hamilton Beach Chopper are all dishwasher safe. The next is number 6, Black+Decker 8-Cup Food. Now you can get it at around $43. Features of this product. The Black+Decker 8-Cup Food Processor is a great choice for everyday use. It features an 8-cup work bowl, a food chute with pusher, dishwasher-safe removable parts, and a safety interlocking system. Customers have praised its longevity and ease of use, though some have noted that the assembly instructions are not very clear. The Black+Decker food processor I've used since 1990, 33 years ago, isn't working quite as well as it did last year. The motor works fine, but the spindle is off-center, so the chopping blade isn't as effective and the top slicer so handy for grated cheese or shredded cabbage doesn't work. Sadly, I need to buy a new processor. It was far and away the cheapest model available back then when I couldn't afford much more. I never dreamed it would grow old with me. The next is number 5, Hamilton Beach Food Processor. This food processor is here with the 8% price off. Now you can get it at around $55. Features of this product: bowl scraper attachment. Special attachment scrapes the sides of the bowl to keep ingredients close to the blades for more even results and to save you time when chopping or pureeing. No need to stop and remove the lid to use a spatula. 10-cup capacity. The generous 10-cup bowl can handle large volumes of foods without having to stop to empty it. Large feed chute can fit large foods like a whole block of cheese for quick, easy processing and less prep time. Versatility of a food processor, food chopper and vegetable chopper. Reversible stainless steel disc slices and shreds, while the stainless steel S-blade chops, mixes and purees. 2 speeds plus pulse and 450 watts of power. Food processor's low and high speeds plus pulse gives you the control you need for a variety of recipes. Included components: S-blade for chopping. The next is number 4, Cuisinart DLC2 ABC Mini Prep. Now you can get it at around $40. Features of this product: superior function. The Cuisinart 250-watt Mini Prep Plus food processor quickly chops and grinds with a patented reversible stainless steel blade control, push-button control panel with durable yet lightweight plastic body, auto-reversing smart power blade for 2 powerful processing options. Easy cleanup, dishwasher-safe bowl and lid for easy cleanup. Wipe the motor base clean with a damp sponge or cloth included. Comes with a 24-ounce work bowl with handle, stainless steel blade with sharp blunt edges, spatula and instruction recipe book. Limited 18-month warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. 24-ounce work bowl with handle. Not recommend to grind beans with this as it chops. The next is number 3, Ninja BN601 Professional Plus. Now you can get it at around $116. Features of this product: for versatile functions, for AutoIQ intelligent preset programs. Make food prep easier with 3 speeds: low, high, and pulse. Chop veggies, shred cheese, and make smooth sauces in quick pizza dough or cookie dough from scratch, all at the touch of a button. XL processing capacity. The 9-cup processing bowl delivers consistent results whether you're chopping a small batch or an entire bowl full of ingredients. Great for large families and entertaining guests. Mix dough in seconds. Powerful dough mixer has the torque to fold in ingredients quickly and evenly, making up to 2 pounds of dough in as little as 30 seconds. Recipe inspiration includes 20 recipe inspiration guide to help create delicious meals for any occasion. Easy to clean. The next is number 2, Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap. This food processor is here with the 8% price off. Now you can get it at around $60. Features of this product: the Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap food processor is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance. It features a 450-watt motor, 2 speeds plus pulse control, a 12-cup capacity, stainless steel blades, and a large feed chute. It is easy to assemble and use, with a simple function guide printed on the food processor. It is BPA-free in all food zones and is perfect for preparing fresh ingredients quickly and easily. Stainless steel blades, S-blade and reversible slice and shred disc chop, slice, shred, mix and puree just about anything. Prep the freshest ingredients. A powerful 450-watt motor and 2 speeds plus pulse control save you time and money. Simple to assemble and use. Stack and snap design requires no difficult twisting or locking. A simple function guide is printed on the food processor for ease of use. The next is number 1, KitchenAid KFC 3516 IC 3.5 cup. This food processor is here with the 8% price off. Now you can get it at around $55. Features of this product: convenient 3.5 cup workbowl, features a locking blade, handle and pour spout for easy serving, and dishwasher safe for quick cleanup with its small, countertop-friendly footprint and simple cord wrap. It's easy to store, neatly tucking away when you're finished prepping. 2 speeds and pulse for coarse or fine results for anything from chunky pico de gallo and salsa, to a creamy hummus, smooth sauce or tasty dressing. Easily incorporate liquid ingredients for sauces and dressings while processing with the drizzle basin. Precisely chop or puree with the stainless steel multi-purpose blade that locks in place for convenient pouring. Model KFC 3516 includes 3.5 cup workbowl with handle and spout, stainless steel multi-purpose blade, lid with drizzle basin, so this is the best option for you to buy.